Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring Pages is installed and your iPad is updated. This prevents missing features. Once ready, open Pages from the home screen. Tap the plus button to create a new document or pick a template to save time. You should choose a template when you want preset styles, choose blank when you need full control. Make sure iCloud is enabled for automatic saving. This avoids losing edits and keeps documents synced across devices. Now you'll edit content and apply styles. Tap text to position the cursor, then use the paintbrush icon to change font, size, alignment, line spacing, and color. This maintains consistent formatting. To add visuals, tap the plus menu to insert images, shapes, or tables. Once inserted, tap and drag handles to resize. Use two-finger gestures to select multiple objects or pinch to zoom for precision. As you work, periodically to finish, export, or share your document based on the recipient's needs. Tap the triple dot menu, choose Export, then select PDF, Word, or Pages format so compatibility is clear. Use Share to send via mail, AirDrop, or an iCloud link. Set view or edit permissions as needed. If someone reports missing changes or iCloud won't sync, sign out and back into iCloud for Pages, then reopen the document. That refresh often resolves sync conflicts and restores the latest version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.